Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how your remote team can collaborate effectively using Miro's free version. First, one team member needs to create a free Miro account at Miro.com. The free plan supports up to 3 editable boards, which is a great start for small teams. Once logged in, click Create Board to make your first collaborative space. Give it a clear name, like Project Brainstorm or Team Retrospective. Now, set up your board for teamwork. Use the toolbar to add sticky notes for ideas, shapes for organizing thoughts, and connectors to show relationships between concepts. To invite your team, click the Share button in the top right corner. A window will pop up. Make sure the permission is set to Can Edit. Then copy the link and share it with your teammates via email, Slack, or your team chat. Your teammates can open the link and start collaborating in real time. No account needed for them to view and edit. They'll see everyone's cursors. And you can watch ideas appear live on the board. Use the talk feature for real-time communication. Click the video icon in the top right to start a free voice or video call directly within Miro while you work. For structured meetings, use free templates from the Miro Marketplace. Search for retrospective mind map or project planning to find a template that fits your goal. And that's it. You now have a powerful free digital whiteboard to keep your remote team aligned, creative, and productive. If your team starts using Miro, let me know your favorite feature in the comments. See you in the next one.